Hi, I'm Tracy Colbert, Independent Director with 31 Gifts, and I want to show you how to log into your virtual office. The first thing that you're going to do is go to 31today.com. Once you get to that website, you will see this menu here, and you want to type in your username, which is your consultant ID. So when you signed up, you should have received an email with that information and also given yourself a password. So you just want to type those in here, click Remember Me if you like, and click Sign In. Now once you open up TOT 31 Today, we call it TOT for short. Once you open up TOT, you'll be here in the dashboard of the business website, and here is where you're going to find all kinds of information on how to run your business. And for you in particular, you really want to go to New Consultants, begin here. But to get into your virtual office, you just go right over here to Virtual Office, and it brings up a separate website, which we call our virtual office or our back office, and this is the epicenter of where you are going to control your business.